Welcome to Heroes and Generals Beta Videolog 8. The game is currently in open beta, so please bear in mind that the gameplay, graphics and sound shown here will evolve and improve over time. In this video, we'll show you some of the features introduced in the latest Heroes and Generals build called Leeb. We have gone through the deploy menu and given it an overhaul to give you a better tactical awareness of what is going on the battlefield. You can now see the battlefield from above and zoom in and look at the available deploy points. This makes it much easier to get your bearings and get a feel for where the current front line is, so you can deploy where it maximizes your chance for capturing the objective and winning the day. In the bottom left corner, you can see your available soldiers that fit this selected assault team. Using the arrows, you can switch between them and you can see their loadout. So, if you for instance need to find your soldier equipped with mines to repel enemy panzer, you can easily find him. In the bottom right corner, you can select which assault team you want to join, and when you hover the mouse over the selection, you can see the current resources and so on. When you have selected a specific deploy point, you then choose whether to deploy on foot or in a vehicle if they are available. Here I deployed as a recon soldier. We have introduced brand new uniforms for both the US and the German recon characters. The German recon is inspired by the Gebirgsjäger, and he is wearing the latest Scharfschütze fashion. A Windbluse is worn over the uniform, and on the head he is wearing a Bergmütze to keep the rain and sun out of his eyes. His opponent, the US recon soldier, is wearing the pattern 44 camouflage on his jacket and trousers, as well as on a helmet cover. We are planning to introduce more uniform variations to characters, as well as options for personalizations in later builds. So keep an eye out for these in the future. We have now implemented the first iteration of a new, more detailed armor model for vehicles. This first iteration contains the core needed to improve and evolve how fighting vehicles will develop over the next many builds. This will allow us to continually improve the way tanks fight and damage each other, improving ballistics damage and letting you play to your strengths as a tanker. After many prototypes, the American factories have started producing the first heavy tanks, and they are slowly making their way to the Western Front. We feel that adding the M26 Pershing to the arsenal provides a good match against the Panzerkampfwagen 6, aka the Tiger. In the Keating build, we released a reworked version of the town map. We went through and optimized the terrain, as well as made it more fun to play by tweaking terrain and buildings. So now it not only looks better, but is also more fun to play. That's all for now. Give us your thoughts on the new update in the forums at heroesandgenerals.com or on the game's Facebook page. We hope you like the changes.